So this is what the process looks like. If I were to hit play, everything in that middle pane is going to execute. The middle pane is my main function, and it has all of these actions. Each action is labeled and it does a certain thing, very similar to a flow. It's going to run down, it's going to do different things, take screenshots, it's going to click information, it's going to populate text, and at the end of it, it's going to close. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit the play button, and we're going to watch this take place in kind of real time. Keep in mind that all the information in this task, in this capture, is static information. It doesn't need to be static information, but it opens the web page. It's going to put the username, the password in. We're going to perform the logon. Then we're going to need to wait for a few seconds. And the reason we need to wait or have a delay is that things need to render properly. Otherwise, the next step will happen before the elements are actually there. So anytime there's a wait, it's where I've had issues in the past and I needed to wait for things to appear. So we're going to go to new CTO case. We're going to click on the radio button. We're going to create it. We're going to populate some information. This is what I would have to do on these particular cases. So kind of log some of my day-to-day activities. But we're just going to go through. We're going to put information in there, put a due date. We're going to put a status in there, who the case owner is. We're going to scroll down who that partner is. We'll put Microsoft. We need to assign what resource it was, and this is the RPA integration user. Take a screenshot real quick, and then we're going to save that case. And as you can see, now there's a new case created within Salesforce, which I think is really cool, right? We just basically automated one of my day-to-day tasks. Again, it's static information for demo purposes, but it doesn't need to be that way. And now that everything is completed successfully, we are going to close. And actually, to show you that everything did in fact occur and it occurred on this machine, I'm going to shrink this down and I'm going to go back to my desktop real quick. And part of that process has the screen capture function 3 different times, and you're going to see there's 3 different files in here that are actual screen captures. So if I click on that, what's going to happen is you're going to see the screen capture that occurred during that process run, which I think is really cool. It's proof that something happened and it's proof that it happened successfully.